So when I started writing this book, it was 4 years back. It's a long journey, and the intent was very clear. The book should have a healing impact on someone, even if it is just one soul. And already I have received reviews about it, good, critical, both. But I know this is enough at this point of time. But it has created a difference. So I think the main goal was that only, to create an impact on one life at least.
I think we all have that one author, even if they're not popular, they are very close to our heart because they somehow contributed in our life.
True.
Do you have an author like that for you being a therapist?
ऐसा कुछ ये नहीं है कि आई रीड लॉट ऑफ बुक्स एंड एवरीथिंग क्रिएट्स एन इम्पैक्ट. मतलब कभी कभी तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है एवरीवन टीचेस अस समथिंग. मेरे बिल्डिंग का सिक्योरिटी गार्ड भी सिखाता है, अरे गुड मॉर्निंग सर. तो कितना चीयरफुल है. हाँ, अगर मुझे सिक्योरिटी गार्ड की जॉब दे दे तो मुझे चला यार माय लाइफ इज पर्पसलेस, क्या ये मैं बस इतना ही. बट ही इज सैटिस्फाइड विद हिज जॉब, इज डूइंग इट विद चीयरफुलनेस. So I think that is what is important to understand. Everyone is going to teach us.
So you do not have one book that really touched your heart?
As I mentioned, 40 Rules of Love is one such book which has really touched the depth of my emotion. और ऐसे भी मैंने एक बार एक पेशेंट को सजेस्ट भी किया था, उसमें से भी उस बुक में से एक फ्लॉ उन्होंने ढूंढ के निकाला कि इधर फ्लॉ है. एंड देन आई फेल्ट हाँ, बट हो सकता है, व्हाई कैरेक्टर्स कांट बी फ्लॉड. और मैंने बुक में भी एक लाइन आया है, aren't we supposed to be weak in our weakest moments? We are allowed to be weak in our weakest moments. उसमें भी हम expect कर रहे कुछ heroic हो जाए, come on bounce back, अरे ये तो बहुत छोटी चीज है. That is why people compare and compete with pain. So that should not be happening as such.